Today I want to talk about Project QATTARA and a number of similar projects we have thought about around the world. If they succeed, it will make a lot more land green and the planet a bit cooler. So the general idea is that in a few places in the United States, a lot of places in Northern Africa, and in the Dead Sea, there are valleys that are below sea level. And our grandfathers, already from 1870, came up with a brilliant idea of digging tunnels from the ocean to fill up these valleys with seawater, or possibly with river water, from the Nile and for the Chad Lake, which is the biggest, from the River Congo. I personally don't believe in the Congo River project very much, but the QATTARA project is the easiest one. There's a big valley in northwestern Egypt and eastern Libya that is bigger than the whole country of Lebanon, which is only 50 kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea. And our grandfathers, they figured out that if they built this tunnel, they would generate a lot of electricity. And they would get a local climate that was a lot cooler because the water would evaporate and it would cause local rain and in general make a piece of uninhabitable desert very much more inhabitable. So what has happened in 2019 and now in February 2020 is that our world savior Elon Musk has released a drilling machine that works much cheaper than any previous tunneling machine has done. We're talking about a few percent of the cost and a lot higher speed. It's reasonable to believe that the currently released machine will actually do 10 meters per day and the next generation 20 meters per day. So if we take a 50-kilometer tunnel and we only use 2 drills, one from each end, we could have more starting in the middle as well by digging down a bit, it would take around 3 years to make this tunnel with the next generation, as in the machines from next year. So in 4 years' time, with only 2 machines, we could have seawater flowing into the desert and getting electricity out of that.